I see the pattern now with Spain. Let me tell you, 2008, they won the Euros. 2010, they won the World Cup. 2024, they won the Euros. And now they're in the finals of the World Cup. You can put two and two together. I think that's how they operate. Maraidri, Rodri, Olmo en Ruiz. Slecht. Goed, dat is slechte midfielders. Sis, man. Oh, Spain. Hey, wacht. It reminded me of Spain 2010. En ek sluk my woorde, BD, ek is jammer. Wie ek gesê dat Frans gaan wen. Ek is jammer, ek sluk my woorde. Yo. Chasing shadows. I blame the champ. I blame the champ. You mean there wasn't other better midfielders than Tchouameni? Rabiot and Kone was doing a good job. If you didn't trust Kone, then put in Kante. The meaning is 'n ou toppie. Hy Kante verstaan die ding. He went to the World Cup for Mahala. The champion took him for Mahala, knowing he's got experience. If you didn't trust Kone, then why didn't you put in Kante? Maar nee, hier gaan sit nou vir Tchouameni in. Het Perez weer aan de pressure gesit. Oh. There, Rodri, Olmo, and Ruiz. Yo. Don't tell me about Jamal. Don't tell me about who else. Die 3. En hy koekerere lang hare. Spain, well done. Well done. We have beat France. The World Cup is yours.